Good morning and welcome to the forests of Arkansas. This will be my first video. You can hear Cubby went through the gate this morning. Come on, Cubs. I live in Arkansas, just outside of Hot Springs, and I thought I might try to start a YouTube channel today. Who knows what it's going to turn into, but I'm just thankful for another day today. You can see my garden is, and this is just one of my gardens. I've just got two gardens, but it keeps me busy. And for you experienced gardeners out there, you're going to see things I've done wrong, but maybe you'll learn something, particularly those of you who are young gardeners. Maybe I can help you with something, but I'm going to try to keep my videos short and sweet, and hopefully you might get some idea of how to try to grow something in kind of a forested area. Yeah, there's Cubs. There she is. She's wanting some petting right now, but she's already gotten some, but she wants some more, but I'll stop the video and do it in just a little bit. Give her a little bit more petting. So, my name is Chris Reimers, and it's middle of July, and it is going to be very warm today. I would say somewhere in the heat index will probably be somewhere about 106 or so, between 106 and 110. So I'm out here early, and here you can see some of my Roma tomatoes right here. And you can even see a little spot where a little worm got a hold of one of them. But so far this year, I haven't had that many problems with worms. It remains to be seen if I will eventually have those problems. But as I was saying, out here in the forest, you're limited on sunlight, so you have to try to find creative ways to garden. I know most of you aren't growing a garden in the forest, but perhaps you would be able to use some of the methods or techniques or whatever that I'm using here to help you with your garden. And anyway, you can see some of my tomatoes. That particular variety is a Better Boy, and that's from 2022. A pretty good tomato. This tomato here is, believe it or not, this is a big beef tomato, and the seeds are from 2002. And you can see that they do pretty well. It's starting to get warm, so some of the leaves are a little on the yellow side. That's nothing I really worry too much about. I've got these probably planted a little too close together. Anyway, I'm going to finish up this first video with a song that I really like, and my mom was a choir director, so I got a little bit of her talent, but not much. But I've sung at a wedding or two. Some claim to fame, huh? But I'm just going to show you around the garden here while I'm singing my little song, okay? This is a favorite song of mine it came out of the 1980s. There's a rainbow somewhere, you were born to be there, you're just running in circles till you reach out your hand, till you reach out your hand, till you reach out your hand to the King of Hearts. Now there's a well leak I'm working on. I'll try to get that fixed here one of these days. Heart that's full of pain and fear, that's a load there's just no need to carry. let it go and leave it here. And there's no price that's left to pay with one more mile or one more day. This is a Better Boy from 2021. There's a rainbow somewhere. You were born to be there. You're just running in circles till you reach out your hand. Till you reach out your hand. Till you reach out your hand to the King of Hearts. Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't know how long I will continue to make these videos, but if someone watches one or two or three, that would be great. And if nobody watches any, that's okay with me, because I will be able to keep these videos as a little history of some of the things that happened in the woods of Arkansas. God bless your day. And now I better get back to the important thing. That is petting my little kitty. Her name's Cubby, and she is a really smart cat. God bless. Have a great day.